E te ti, e te tā, kuhu mai ki te kauta. Come on into the kitchen because today we are making hangi popo, Samoan coconut buns. They are so good. And I'm going to send these off to Telia. And Telia was nominated by her mama, Faye. Telia is 10 and her mum talked about how she has just been helping her mama out so much. Faye's trying to get a business up and running and is working 24/7, and Telia has just stepped into all of those spaces that she needs some āwhina, some help. And so Telia, this is for you, my darling. Hangi popo are a soft, luscious bun baked in coconut sauce. You cannot go wrong. So we start off with making a beautiful brioche dough. Nā reira, koe nei ngā kai ka whakamahia e tātou. Here are the ingredients you need.
Kia kotahi kēnā miraka kokonati, 1 can of coconut milk. Kia toru Whānau wai wera, 3/4 of a cup of hot water. Kia Whānau huka, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Kia rua kokoiti ihi tere, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Kia kotahi hiki, 1 egg. Kia rua kokoiti wanira, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Kia kotahi kokoiti tote, 1 teaspoon of salt. Kia toru me te toru Whānau puehu parawa, 3 3/4 of a cup of flour. Kia rima te kaukaramu pata ku tere tere, 50 grams of softened butter. Simple ingredients for a beautiful product. First, take your miraka kokonati and take 1/2 cup and reserve the rest for your sauce. Pour in the 1/2 cup into a bowl along with your wai wera, huka and ihi tere. Kōroria, give it a stir and leave it to activate until it's floated to the top like so. Then add your hiki and whisk that in until it's all combined along with your wanira. Add in your tote and puehu parawa. You know the deal, whānau. Whakaranu here. Mix it to combine, and as it comes together, you want to tip it out onto a lightly floured bench. Get the kids to do this. This is such a good job for our beautiful tamariki. Poia te pokinga. Knead the dough. If it gets a little bit too sticky, sprinkle over it a little bit more puehu parawa and poia te pokinga. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until lovely and stretchy. So after 10 minutes it should look like this, and then all you need to do is stretch it out and dot in our pata. It should be nice and soft. Smush it in and then knead it again for around 2 to 3 minutes. Looking good. Press it down, indent it really far, and then if it springs back like so, it's done.
Ka pai, 1 coconut and vanilla scented dough. Amazing! And all I've done now is just rubbed my bowl with a little bit of oil. We're going to chuck it in there and we're going to leave it for an hour to an hour and a half max. Hover it like so, and then we move on to our delicious Whānau kokonati, our coconut sauce.
Kia kotahi kokonui puehu kanga, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Kia hautoru kapu wai, 1/3 of a cup of water. He kini tote, a pinch of salt. Kia haurua kapu huka, 1/2 cup of sugar. Te toenga o te miraka kokonati, the remaining coconut milk. Kia kotahi kēnā creamy kokonati, 1 can of coconut cream. Kia kotahi kokoiti wanira, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add your puehu kanga, wai, tote and huka into your pan and give it a little stir. Now you want to pour in the remainder of your miraka kokonati and the whole can of creamy kokonati. Stir it up along with your wanira and And now we are going to bring it to a simmer. So all you're doing is bring it up to the heat. You're going to boil it very briefly just to activate that corn flour and thicken it slightly.
Ka pai te whānau anei te ranu kokonati. Here is our coconut sauce. And all this needs to do is cool, really. So as soon as your dough has risen and is looking beautiful and airy, we are going to create our coconut buns. Pangi Popo.
Punch it, baby. Enjoy the beauty that is simple pokinga dough. Take that beautiful dough, and what we want to do is we want to divide it into 15 equal pieces. You can either weigh the whole lot and divide it that way, or you can just eyeball it. Kai a koe te tikanga, up to you. Now all you do is take each piece and roll it into a sausage type situation, and then you just roll it around the center point. Squish it to seal it, and then pop it into your tray. Let's watch that again. Again, this is a wonderful thing to do with your tamariki. I got my 12-year-old to help me last time. So easy to do. Māma noi ho te mahi. Ka pai, and now all you're doing is covering them with a tea towel, like so, and you're going to leave them to rise for 45 minutes until doubled in size, like so. If any of them have released their little ends, you just squish them back down. And back to our ranu kokonati, our coconut sauce. You want to reserve 1 cup of the coconut sauce to pour over at the end, and the remainder you want to pour all around those delicious buns. And when you're just about at the end, what I love to do now is just grab a pastry brush, and so you get those beautiful golden buns. You just want to brush over a little bit of the sauce onto each bun. Ka tahi ko te wā tunu kai. It's time to bake these babies into an oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes in a 170 degree oven. Oh yeah!
Pangi Popo, fresh out of the oven, and the smell is just divine. Engari I te tuatahi, but first, he mihi nui ki a koe Te Lea. I just wanted to acknowledge you, Te Lea, for all of your tautoko of your mama and your beautiful āwhina as she sets up her business. I know she is so appreciative, and I hope you enjoy these Pangi Popo along with the little perehana that I brought you. Kia koutou katoa, thank you for watching, thank you for your tautoko, mā te wā.
Pour over the remaining sauce and you have yourself a Pangi Popo celebration. Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta, ki ana ki te aroha. Poi, knead. Poia, knead it. Poia te pokinga, knead the dough. Porotiti, scroll.